Yeah, let me show you how you can use this Android bulk Telegram sender software to do cold Telegram messages. So with this software, you can use it to promote your product, service, or offer on Telegram. So maybe you have 100,000 of Telegram accounts and you're looking for ways to send them Telegram messages. With this software, you're going to achieve that. So click on Telegram. So let me just paste the number. Use just random, just choose right now. You can also schedule the message depending on how you want to run it. Then, so the software also has numerous ways for you to upload your contact. You can just import file by TSV, in CSV or TST. So anyone you want to choose, then click on OK. You can see that's amazing. So message send. So that's amazing. That's how you can use the software to start sending your bulk WhatsApp and Telegram. So, and also can say the message as delivered. So it will not be like some software that is going to show you that it's sending message but does not deliver. The message delivers. So that's how it works. So an amazing feature of this software is that it has SMS marketing as well. SMS sender, WhatsApp sender. So for this SMS sender, you can just paste your phone number, or you can just choose how you want to import. You can just import your file or select contact you want to send to on your file on your phone, then enter your message. Choose right now. Can see message sent. Can see the message I've delivered. So same goes to the WhatsApp and Telegram and WhatsApp messages. So I've already do video on the WhatsApp demo. Telegram, WhatsApp senders, and you're going to the SMS senders. It's all in one software, so you just pay for one. You don't have to pay for 3 or 4 software to again. You just one time payment on one particular software. You're going to enjoy these 3 4 feature on this software. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this useful, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you. We'll see you again.